Hello, everyone. This is Ancient Roman Trading Secrets with General Romulus. That's me, Romulus. This show is brought to you by Backpack Trader. Our goal? Help you become the best version of the backpack trader you can possibly become. In a minute, I'm going to show you something that I thought was a little comical, but for now, quick review from yesterday. Well, it was Smackdown City across the board. On the Dow Jones Industrial Average, one of the largest point losses on record, not even in the top 10 percentage-wise, and that's what it's all about, but an average loss across the board of 4 or 5% depending on the index, and well, that will leave a mark. Interesting on the Dow, this is something of note. You want to pay attention to this. Hello, you paying? Here we go. New low right here, new low below the September 6th lows on intraday and closing basis. That's important. The only index so far to do that, S&P no, NASDAQ no, Russell no, Dow Jones Transport no. So it will be something that will weigh on the market here in time, but we want to see the rest of the indexes follow suit. That's a little Dow theory analysis for you, huh? How about that? So there was an announcement yesterday that the shareholders of Twitter have voted to approve the takeover by Elon Musk at $44 billion. Why is this funny? Why is this noteworthy? Why are we even talking about this? Are you kidding me? Of course they voted for this. It's the silliest thing I've ever heard. Well, maybe not ever heard, but in quite a while. I mean, right now the company's at $31 billion. Of course they're going to sell it to him for $44 billion. Why wouldn't they want to sell it to him for $44 billion? That's an extra 45% in their pockets that they don't have right now. It's ridiculous. Okay, well, that's the times that we're in today, isn't it? Hopefully, as you've been watching these videos for the last 5 months, you have probably picked up on the salient fact that it is worthwhile analyzing and paying attention to the bond market, interest rates. Even though they kind of bore people to tears, I understand, but with what is going on in the Federal Reserve world and a big meeting next week, inflation reports this week, the reason for the sell-off yesterday has been attributed to the higher than expected inflation numbers from yesterday, the consumer price index. And you can see the 10-year yesterday closing at the highest level, second highest level in the last 11 and a half years, with the exception of right there. And today, the same thing. Again, second highest level with the exception of right here in the past 11 and a half years. Okay, the 2-year note, even on more of a tear. Okay, this is another multi-year. As a matter of fact, it's trading higher than it ever has in the last 15 years. So interest rates have been going higher, and that is leading to a problem for the technology stocks. In addition, the Federal Reserve, starting September 1st, is draining $95 billion a month out of the international financial systems via various mechanical and financial shenanigans and chicanery. However, that's what they're doing. And that will have a massive impact on the financial markets globally for some time to come. There won't be any easy money around. Okay, that's the thing. And the easy money crowd got very used to and addicted to that easy money that was flowing into the markets aggressively from 2008 until earlier this year. No coincidence that the entire bull market that started in early 2009 ended earlier this year. Don't you love correlation? That's my favorite word. Okay, the market is trying to salvage some of the massive damage that was inflicted upon it yesterday. However, it will come to naught, maybe a day or two at most. The selling will resume. And again, what have I been saying since June? Retest of the June lows doesn't mean that it has to come all the way back down. Within a couple of percent on either side. So anywhere up in here, anywhere down in here, that's coming. Today, tomorrow, maybe, maybe not. Next week, next month, maybe, maybe not. A couple of months at the very outset, though. Okay, retest of the June lows. And your old buddy Romulus has been saying and telling you this for months. Okay? This is no surprise to the Centurion Nation. I realize that it's catching those of you who are not Centurions completely off guard. But for us, this is just another walk through the military barracks. I see oil prices still reacting to this oversold condition. However, the breakdown was real, so another couple of days. That could be an excellent, excellent trade. Excellent trade. My Centurions know what I'm talking about there. Yep, we'll be picking that one clean if it comes into our lap. Okay, everybody, we're going to be wrapping up here. Pay attention to these interest rates. This has been your old buddy Romulus with Ancient Roman Trading Secrets. And that is all for now.